If you've ever dreamed of owning your own food business, but thought restaurants are too expensive, then today's video is for you. We're going to break down step by step how to start a food truck business on a low budget, whether you're in the United States, Canada, Australia, or anywhere in the world. I'll show you how to plan, launch, and grow a profitable food truck without breaking the bank. At first, research and choose your concept. Don't just sell food, sell a story. Think about what your community loves: burgers, tacos, Asian fusion, smoothies, or vegan wraps. Visit local food truck parks and events to see what's trending. Your goal? Find a niche that's tasty, simple, and affordable to produce. Example, instead of a big burger menu, specialize in mini gourmet sliders or loaded fries. Small, unique ideas stand out and cost less to start. Plan your budget wisely. You don't need $100,000 to start. Many small food trucks launch with $20,000 to $25,000, especially if you start with a used truck or trailer. Here's a quick breakdown. Used food truck or trailer, $8,000 to $15,000. Basic kitchen equipment, $2,000 to $5,000. Permits and licenses, around $1,000 to $2,000. Ingredients and supplies, $1,000. Marketing and signage, $500. Start small. You can always upgrade later as your business grows. Get the right permits and licenses. Most cities require a mobile vending permit. Legal compliance protects your business and builds customer trust. Get your equipment and design your menu. Buy only what you need to start: a grill, fryer, fridge, prep table, and utensils. Keep your menu short. 4 to 6 main items are perfect. The simpler your menu, the faster your service, and the lower your costs. Focus on ingredients you can use in multiple dishes. That saves both money and storage space. Choose the right location. Your food might be amazing, but location is king. Park near offices during lunch hours, college campuses in the afternoon, and bars or events at night. You can also join food truck festivals. They're great for exposure and loyal customers. Bonus tip: offer first 50 customers get a free drink to attract a crowd on opening day. Launch and grow. Start soft, maybe a weekend pop-up or local market. Collect feedback, adjust your menu, and slowly expand. Once you're profitable, you can add delivery services, online ordering, or even a second truck. Remember, it's not about being the biggest, it's about being consistent and unique. And that's it, your A to Z guide to starting a food truck business on a low budget. The key is to start small, stay focused, and serve great food.